my dishwasher isn't draining properly. So I'm going to try video chat in the American Home Shield app and get real-time help from a repair expert.
Hello, thanks for using video chat today. My name's Lauren. I'll be your appliance expert. How can I help you today?
Hey Lauren, something's going on with my dishwasher. I ran a load last night, and this morning when I opened the door, there was about an inch of water standing in the bottom.
I'm sorry to hear that. Sounds like there could be something clogging it up, so let's see if we can solve this together. I'm gonna send a request to flip the camera on your phone so I can see what you're seeing. 1 second.
Okay. I unplugged the dishwasher just to be safe, and I tried to remove all the standing water.
Okay, before we start, point the camera at the sticker on the top of the door frame with the brand name and model number. There you go. I'll look up the manual and diagrams in case we need them. Okay, first let's check the drain filter to make sure it's not clogged. To remove the filter, just turn the filter counterclockwise so that we can inspect the filter for any clogs.
All right, well, the filter looks pretty clean and there's nothing in the drainage hole.
Now let's check a place where clogs often occur in the drain tube in the cabinet under your sink. So you're going to need to get a bucket and some needle nose pliers. Now point the camera inside the small stem that connects to the garbage disposal. Yep, I see a clog right there. Now just take your needle nose pliers and use it to pull that clog out of there. All right. Good job. I think you fixed the problem. So now just reattach the drain hose. Make sure you tighten that retainer clip really, really well. And plug the dishwasher back in and you should be good to go. Run a test cycle, and if it's still not draining, we can video chat again and I can help you check the drain tube at the point where it connects to the dishwasher.
Fantastic. Thanks so much for your help, Lauren.
I'm happy to help. Thank you for being a valued member and have a great rest of your day.